Understanding a market requires more than just keeping up with trends. It also requires knowing what is driving them and where they're headed. In this video, I'll explain how we see the processes now affecting GameFi and how to use them to develop winning strategies. You must examine GameFi in conjunction with traditional game development, as well as the broader changes in consumer leisure. Such new and quickly expanding segments of the entertainment market as GameFi cannot exist independently from social trends or the economy. Are you eager to learn more? Then let's begin the video. People frequently inquire about GameFi and play-to-earn gaming since the introduction of play-to-earn games. People also ask what NFT games are because NFTs in blockchain gaming symbolize in-game stuff. Many people are intrigued by the possibility of joining this growing ecosystem of NFTs, NFT games, and the latest gaming paradigms like play-to-earn, which incorporate exciting earning potential via tokens. Developers may easily design and mint NFTs, establish an NFT trading platform, and produce NFT games thanks to platforms like Morales. The phrase GameFi combines the words game with finance. Although the name GameFi has previously been used frequently, it remains unclear what it refers to or means. If you haven't heard the phrase GameFi before, you're probably wondering what it means. You might also be interested in learning how it differs from traditional gaming. The name suggests that it includes gambling and some financial components. You're not far off the mark if you get this general concept. In actuality, the term GameFi is ambiguous and has roots in the early days of cryptocurrency. That's almost as far back as Bitcoin. Along with the industry, its relevance and meaning have changed. People already directly link it with play-to-earn nowadays. As a result, they frequently refer to both while simultaneously defining GameFi and play-to-earn. The origin. People began experimenting with integrating Bitcoin and early Minecraft servers in the early days of Bitcoin. One of the first such attempts, such as website named Gambit and P2P services that enable gamers to profit from popular video games. Additionally, the game Bombermine had financial components as well. As a result, these initiatives served as the foundation of GameFi as we currently know it. GameFi and Ethereum. The intricacy of Web3 improved with Ethereum and the availability of a Turing-complete framework for any blockchain programmer to build on. Furthermore, the development of smart contracts was made possible by new high-level computer languages like Solidity. What did the play-to-earn and GameFi infrastructures of Ethereum mean? Program execution and on-chain storage were made possible. As a result, the world of decentralized applications or dApps came into being. Then blockchain engineers learned how to create Ethereum dApps and transform the game industry by introducing fresh features. GameFi and play-to-earn also gained popularity as a result of new gaming communities and fan bases. Additionally, with Ethereum, additional token standards were developed, such as the ERC20 token standard for fungible tokens. Furthermore, it has made it possible to build NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, using standards like ERC721 and ERC115. The first game to use ERC721 extensively was CryptoKitties. It tapped into a new gaming industry and altered the meaning of GameFi and play-to-earn for new generations and demographics. For the decentralized apps and blockchain business, CryptoKitties redefined the notion of what is GameFi and demonstrated the viability of NFTs as a means of marketing. Some would counter that the gaming strategy behind CryptoKitties didn't demonstrate long-term economic sustainability. The new video games and fashion trends are altering this opinion. What is GameFi? How does play-to-earn work? Since the industry's inception, it has advanced significantly. As a result, there are various responses to the question, what is GameFi? There are various examples of how decentralized gaming apps can assist users in making money in the booming dApp, Web3, and cryptocurrency gaming industries. Both the genres of games played nowadays and the methods used to make money are very diverse. Play-to-earn games are largely responsible for the present image of GameFi. This is because consumers now find the rewards to be highly alluring. New play-to-earn and GameFi reward models. Different models are created by GameFi and play-to-earn, games that strike a balance between gaming, fun, and money rewards. For instance, games can be made to reward you after accomplishments like winning competitions or certain character battles, breeding avatars, trading digital goods, or engaging in in-game market trading. It will be fascinating to learn about how to build an NFT marketplace using cutting-edge Web3 platforms like Morales about the latter. You can get a sense of the potential worth of NFTs as separate digital objects by developing your own NFT marketplace. Furthermore, Morales handles the complicated backend and streamlines the process into a few straightforward steps, making the project incredibly simple and hassle-free. Best games on GameFi and P2E. We will look at some games that have a tremendous influence in the Web3 arena to better understand GameFi and P2E and why it is sweeping the globe. Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity has to be one of the best talked about and well-liked games right now. It deserves to be chosen first in the list not only for its enormous fan base, but also for its importance in socioeconomic issues. It's interesting to note that P2E has emerged as a viable alternative in emerging nations like the Philippines. This is valid, particularly for people who have been affected by the pandemic. Therefore, such developments need to be closely monitored. It's simple to write off GameFi and P2E as another fad or purely amusing. These new models, however, demonstrate that entertainment is merely the tip of the iceberg. Participants in Axie Infinity may have many objects. Players can make money by breeding Axies or other species. Any two Axies can be bred to yield AXS tokens as well as some SLP tokens. The number of SLP tokens utilized in the transaction depends on the breeding combinations employed for these species. Axies take 5 days to mature and hatch. These novel species could be characters that you control in the game. Additionally, the game has an NFT marketplace where you can sell your brand new Axies. You might also lend these creatures to scholars of Axie. If gaming isn't your thing, you can still make money by working as a liquidity provider. As already established, the Axie Infinity economy heavily relies on two fundamental tokens that are AXS, a governance token, and SLP, a utility token. The size of the customer base and the Axie's market price influence the value of such tokens on open markets. The play-to-earn economy of Axie Infinity. What role do GameFi and play-to-earn play in the expanding Axie Infinity economy? You can do more than merely play the game, as the example shows. You can employ other people to perform for you in exchange for a cut of the revenue. Additionally, you can stake tokens and take part in the greater token economy. What are GameFi game scholarships? One can collect a portion of their scholars' earnings by taking part in GameFi game scholarships. The percentage of this income may be as high as 70%. For those who wish to save time and use it in other ways, this is a perfect solution. Making use of growth in P2E and GameFi. Participation in liquidity pools is open to the game's liquidity suppliers. SLP and AXS pools are now hosted by the most well-known decentralized exchanges, including Uniswap and SushiSwap. Trading commissions and other incentives are included in this. In addition, you can own Axies and stake AXS tokens based on the speculative environment. Splinterlands, another NFT trade card game that brings novelty to the GameFi market to reframe the definition of what is GameFi, is Splinterlands. It is based on the Hive blockchain and draws inspiration from beloved video games like Magic, The Gathering, and Warcraft. You may trade, buy, and sell collectibles on it. Additionally, you can receive incentives. Gods Unchained. Trading card strategy games like Gods Unchained are another kind of game that uses the GameFi and play-to-earn concept. This NFT gameplay concept will appeal to players who are familiar with the classic game Magic, The Gathering Arena. In terms of the NFT trading card model, what is GameFi? First off, NFTs do a good job of capturing the distinctiveness of the cards. They offer them a presence online. These cards are marketable for Gods token. The Gods tokens can also be converted into cash. Additionally, the game employs Binance Smart Chain for the governance of its Splinter shards, BEP20 currency. The environment of the game is managed by DAO. Check out Morales, vast literature and resources for more details on how to build a DAO to manage your DApp or P2E game. Forest Knight. The focus of Forest Knight is in original characters or heroes with range of skills and flaws. Your login benefits you in the game. Additionally, when gaming, NFTs can be earned. The Injinx X platform also offers a unique NFT marketplace just for this game. GameFi. Top P2E protocols. What is it? While P2E gaming and a DApp still favor Ethereum, other blockchain technologies are catching up. For instance, the GameFi and P2E ecosystems are unique to Polkadot, BSC, Solana, Wax, Polygon, and OEC. On any of these blockchain platforms, Morales offers a fully supported and user-friendly backend if you're interested in developing games. Moreover, Morales' speedy nodes offer a top-performing endlessly scalable node service, which greatly simplifies the process. Additionally, it works with Avalanche, Polygon, BSC, Ethereum, and Arbitrum nodes. You can build incredible GameFi and P2ED apps with Morales' natively cross-chain technology. Additionally, leveraging Morales as your framework makes it simple to create cross-chain dApps. All you have to do is to get started by playing and learning about decentralized P2E gaming is set up a Web3 wallet like MetaMask. Your game assets are stored in MetaMask. Additionally, it serves as user authentication to grant you access to other GameFi ecosystems. The next step is to gather any tokens, coins, or other resources you'll need to start the game. Start the game now if you want to have fun. Thank you for watching.